truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Chevy Addict rolling up, bass hitting loud as hell. Illest swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Chevy Addict rolling up, bass hitting loud as hell. Illest swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Yo, Chevy Addict rolling up, bass hitting loud as hell. Illest swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Yeah, Ellis swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail.
YouTube, what's up YouTube? This your boy, Chevy Addict, with another video, y'all. Alright, today, y'all, went live this morning, got up like always, and I waited on this mail for the longest, y'all. It came from California, so let's go ahead and do this unboxing right quick. And I'm gonna do an install also. Once this video posts, I'm gonna do an unboxing, then I'm gonna do an install video. So hope y'all enjoy this stuff, right? So what I'm doing right here, this right here, it came from Georgia. So I'm gonna show you what this is. And man, I had some already, but the right side is broken on my car. This was Lucille, y'all. So I've been trying to get all my small things fixed on my car, right? Like the lighting and the LEDs, and just making sure I got everything just right for when I release this car to the streets. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, I'm trying to bring the best content I can bring to my channel and to y'all to see. You know what I mean? So a lot of stuff that I do it on live, or I might just drop a video like I'm doing right now. But at the end of the day, y'all, thank all of y'all for the support and the love y'all show me on my channel. It's growing. You know what I mean? I am going to do a 3,500 subscriber giveaway, so get ready for that. I'm going to drop a video when I hit like 34.95. And I'm going to tell y'all, it's so easy, super easy to win my prizes, y'all. All y'all do got to watch the video, like the video, and comment on the video. And you have to be in the United States to win this gift. I'm not trying to track nothing overseas or none of that stuff. So hope y'all enjoy this video. But this something for Lucy. It's a small little piece for Lucille. And I got another one box to do for Leland to show you that too. And that's all for today, for right now. I got something coming from FedEx also for Lucille. So I'm trying to wait around till FedEx come on in. I got a little errand to run right quick, but I'm trying to hurry it up, but I'm patient. So I'm gonna try and link all them videos together. But let's go ahead with this unboxing, y'all. Small little package came from Apollo LED in Marietta, Georgia. Cost me like $39, right? With tax and everything, $42. So, like I said, make sure everybody who have a Cutlass or a G-body or anybody had these side marker lights like I have on my car, y'all, it's a good investment. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up package up to show you what's going on, y'all. This right here, they plug and play. So I'm gonna show you, they plug and play. I got the gaskets in my truck. I'm gonna have to put it in this package with me. I'm going to the shop today to check on my car and add these to my car. So these little legs right here goes in your bumper, and the piece the little metal piece out the bumper goes on here and screws on here. And I got the gasket also for this. So I'm gonna put this in my bumper. This is for the right side right here. So it's the right side. You can see the R right there for right. But other than that, y'all, I'm gonna get this installed today, for real. And I gotta go down and take that hose also to the shop so we can see that fit. If the hose fit, we in there, y'all. We in there. And Ron G, if you're watching this video, your tag will be going out today. So y'all know. I got dropped right by the post office. Got done with it. My neighbor gave me some ink, so I got that done with it. Got that tag done and out the way. I am waiting on my ink. My ink still ain't here yet, so I thought it'd be here this morning, but we could go ahead and get this unboxing out the way. This smaller thing right here. This right here is for Leland, y'all. All right, this is right here for Leland. This little piece right here cost me $17. 17 plus shipping. Like, I want to say 21. You know what I mean? So this is the piece that keep me from having a hyper flash. So this is the fuse right here. It's like a small little fuse. See right there's an LED on it right here. So I'm gonna plug this into my old box. This is this going. I'm gonna show you on the video where it's going on Leland. So this small unboxing, y'all. Hope I enjoyed my video, man. Okay, please leave in the comments what y'all want to see next. I'm doing my music install in February, right? But I'm sorry about it. I'm doing my music install in May. I'm gonna order all my wires. I'm gonna order all my carpet, my whole carpet, and get my inside looking decent. So when I run my wires, I made it myself to do my stuff right the first time, right? So now I gotta get my carpet and some wires. So I'm going all OFC wires. So hope y'all enjoy that video too. So that video will come by April. So stay tuned to the channel, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and make sure y'all please leave me a good comment, y'all, please. Because on the road to 3,500 subscribers is here. Let's get this done, y'all. Peace, love. I see y'all on the next live. YouTube, I'm back, y'all, with another unboxing, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this unboxing out of the way. This is for my old school. Only for my old school, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy this video, y'all. Make sure y'all give me a full comment, like this video, and let's run this video up, y'all. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. All right, y'all. This right here is my clips. I tell you, my clips for the old school, y'all. I got my screws. These screws right here. All these little pieces. These screws goes inside of here. And man, when I get my car painted, these will be the number one piece I need to get my clips back, all my chrome pieces back on. Right, I'm taking all the old stuff off of here, off my old school, and put these new clips on, y'all. So this is a quick, short video, and y'all, man, it's been a long day. Y'all seen the live stream earlier that the car started up, but I had a lot of gas going everywhere, y'all, on the right side of the car. So hopefully we go ahead and get that taken care of. You know what I mean? He gonna touch my car again. I say around about Wednesday or Thursday. So hope y'all enjoyed my short little video of my clips I got for the old school. $17, y'all, ain't bad. So that's not the way. So next up the bat is I don't have no more unboxing to do tonight. Tomorrow I gotta work on my car on Leland to get him right. And I'm telling you, man, get this hyper flash taken care of. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, y'all. I see y'all on the next live. Stay tuned, y'all. So tomorrow morning, y'all, I'm going live 6:30 in the morning to 9:30. From 9:30, from 9, let my phone charge up. From 11 to 1, and from 1, let my phone charge up some more. And from 3 to 5, y'all. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Do what you love and love what you do, y'all. I'm gone.